Today's June 20th. The procession of palms moving from indoors to outdoors has been going on for a little bit now. These are my two biggest Phoenix roebelinii. And this one I moved outside, a couple months ago. And Phoenix roebelinii are bad about getting their fronds bleached out whenever you move them to brighter light. Not bleached out, but bronzed out, I guess. They turn really brown, ugly. I don't like that. This one, I thought was in enough shade it wouldn't do that, but that's not the case. The color of the fronds is really pretty. Really nice lush green. Over here, this one has been under a grow light inside. I just moved it outside. Look at the difference in color. Look how glaucous it is. And it's got this funky, it's not tomentum, I don't know what it's called, the hairy fibers, and it peels off, but it's strange, but it has a really bluish color to it. So where they're at right now, hopefully they will be in enough shade not to get too messed up. I just moved this one over here. It was getting afternoon sun. Now it will get no afternoon sun at all. But look at the trunk on that. What is that thing? 15 or 16 inches tall now? That's pretty good. And you can see back behind that philodendron, roots are coming out the bottom. That's a big pot. It is, I think it's a 15 gallon, but it's a non-standard size. It's not as deep, but it's wider than a normal 15 gallon. I don't want to put it in a bigger pot. I've got a couple bigger pots. They're not really deeper though. They're just bigger around. But if I do that, that thing's going to be really heavy and hard to move. I'll have to use a dolly, or as they say out here, a hand truck. Anyway, that is the difference in appearance between Phoenix roebelinii grown under grow lights on the right, and after it's received some actual sunshine there on the left hand side. So maybe the grow lights that I'm using are not totally full spectrum, and it has caused some kind of a deficiency in the chlorophyll or something. I don't know. That's interesting. I like that lush green color on the left way better than the blue color on the right. A lot of people like blue palms. I like really lush green. Makes you think of the beach and the jungle, really. That's what I really like, is the jungle. The point of my whole garden was to be a jungle. Not so much a garden, more of a jungle. We're getting there, slowly but surely. We're getting there. Man, that sunlight looks pretty. Coming in at that low angle like that.